Are you looking for the best cordless car polishers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best cordless car polishers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Protmex Cordless Car Buffer Polisher. The Protmex Car Buffer is a top-notch cordless car polisher with a newly upgraded eccentric polisher that ensures even wax distribution, preventing over-polishing. With adjustable speed settings ranging from 2800 to 5500 RPM, you can tackle various polishing needs effectively. Equipped with 2 long-lasting 21V, 1500 mAh batteries, you get up to 100 minutes of uninterrupted use. Being cordless and lightweight at only 3.3 pounds, this buffer provides unmatched convenience, allowing you to polish your car without the hassle of cords. Ideal for car detailing, this kit comes with various accessories for versatile applications. What we like: lightweight and easy to use. Multiple speed settings available. Long battery life with 2 batteries. Includes various useful attachments. Cordless design for convenience. What we don't like: no charging dock for batteries. Small power switch. Number 2. KIMO 20V Cordless Buffer Polisher Kit. KIMO Cordless Buffer Polisher Kit is a versatile tool for car detailing, waxing, polishing, and scratch removal. The 20V powerful motor with 6 adjustable speeds ranging from 994 to 3634 revolutions per minute allows you to customize your polishing experience. With 2 included 2000 mAh batteries, you can work continuously without worrying about running out of power. The lightweight and ergonomic design of the polisher, weighing only 2.65 pounds, provides comfort and precision during use. The kit also includes various accessories like polishing pads and sandpapers for a complete polishing solution. What we like: cordless convenience. Variable speed settings. Multiple attachments included. Lightweight and ergonomic design. Good battery life. What we don't like: occasional overheating issues. Less durable for heavy use. Number 3. Cordless Buffer Polisher Kit for Car Detailing. This cordless buffer polisher kit is a time and money saver, with a powerful rotary polisher that produces up to 5,000 revolutions per minute with low noise. Its lightweight and cordless design makes it easy to carry and store, and the powerful brushless motor ensures professional and safe use. With a large capacity battery that provides 5 hours of battery life, this kit is perfect for outdoor polishing. It features 8mm random orbit for a swirl-free finish, 6 adjustable gears, and comes with a variety of pads for different scenarios. Suitable for cleaning cars, furniture, wood, leather, and tiles. What we like: lightweight and portable. Multiple attachments included. Long battery life. Variable speed settings. Great value for money. What we don't like: speed dial adjustment issue. Battery life could be longer. Number 4. Saker Cordless Buffer Polisher. Saker Buffer Polisher is a fast-charging cordless polisher that saves you time with its quick 2-hour full charge. Its portability and lightweight design make it efficient for car detailing, freeing you from cords. The variable speed control offers versatility with 6 adjustable speeds for different detailing needs. The included accessories cater to various applications like waxing and polishing. This polisher is ideal for beginners and professionals alike, providing a powerful and quiet polishing experience. What we like: lightweight and easy to use. Good battery life. Versatile for polishing and sanding. Wireless convenience. Comes with multiple accessories. What we don't like: may struggle with deep oxidation. Lower voltage battery. Number 5. Orgpek Cordless Car Buffer Polisher. The Orgpek cordless polisher is designed for ultimate convenience in car detailing. With its cordless feature, you can move freely without worrying about power outlets or tangled cords. The powerful 50W motor tackles stubborn stains and scratches, restoring your car's shine with ease. You'll appreciate the 6 speed settings, allowing you to customize the polishing process based on your specific needs, whether it's minor imperfections or deeper scratches. This versatile tool can also be used for various surfaces, from car exteriors to household items, making it a valuable addition to your cleaning arsenal. What we like: lightweight and easy to handle, powerful cordless design, variable speed control, comes with multiple accessories, excellent battery life. What we don't like: battery replacement not available. Battery life may vary.